We continue Speak of the Devil with The Devil and the Innkeeper by Robert Louis Stevenson. Once upon a time, the devil stayed at an inn where no one knew him, for they were people whose education had been neglected. He was bent on mischief, and for a time kept everybody by the ears. But at last the innkeeper set a watch upon the devil and took him in. The fact, the innkeeper got a rope's end. "Now I am going to thrash you," said the innkeeper. "You have no right to be angered with me," said the devil. "I am only the devil, and it is my nature to do wrong." "Is that so?" asked the innkeeper. "Fact, I assure you," said the devil. "You really cannot help doing ill," asked the innkeeper. "Not in the smallest," said the devil. "It would be useless cruelty to thrash a thing like me." "It would be indeed," said the innkeeper. And he made a noose and hanged the devil. "There," said the innkeeper. And of course, you really can't kill a metaphysical demon or hurt it in a physical way. There may be things that they don't like that a human will do, just like there can be things that they like that a human could do. And generally, one of the most influential things that the demons can do is to convince people that they don't exist as such. And then they're just influenced on a secular level. Now, of course, the deeper influence is when they know and end up just, worshiping the demons. And the hanged man, huh? But every being has its nature is right. Every being's nature is right. So there is a choice between good and evil.